Hello, today I'm in the 800 block of North LaSalle, which is in the Gold Coast neighborhood in a garden, a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo. Very nice and spacious. This is the kitchen, has a lot of cabinets and a lot of counter space. It does have a dishwasher. This is looking back where we started at the living room. Right here past the refrigerator, you could put a nice 4-person table if you wanted to. To the left here is the front door, your front entry coat closet, then your living room. This has in-unit washer and dryer, central heat and air conditioning. A really nice floor. I don't know if you can see it or not, but a really nice polished concrete floor. This is going into the first bedroom. This looks like a queen-size bed. A queen-size bed would fit in here. No problem. Good size closet. It has an in-unit washer and dryer, stackable, which you see here. Down the hallway further, we have the bathroom. Toilets around the corner here. Nice pedestal sink. And then you have a linen closet right here behind it. And the second bedroom, which is bigger than the first. It's also a queen-size bed. You have plenty of room. Has a really nice big closet in here also. See, it actually has room for a chair too. Probably one of the best things about this unit is it has a shared backyard. Again, like I was saying, it's a condo building, so it has a common backyard. So you could put a grill, an AstroTurf grass, which is very nice. This will give you an idea of where you're at also here. See the high rises. But a really nice, big, spacious backyard. Again, it's shared. From here, we'll cut back through the condo, going back through the front door. You can see the bedrooms are separate from each other, so you'd have privacy.